Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 CLA 45 AMG. This one's night black. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 355 horsepower and 332 pounds of torque. This one does come with 18-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels, along with some wheel protectors. The tires are in good condition. LED daytime running lights. We've got our turbo AMG badging. Nice bucket seat style AMG seats in the front. Black MB Techs. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler. Our CLA 45 AMG badging. Opening up the tailgate, got a clean set of AMG floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. This one also does come with the interior package, which is going to give you ambient lighting and a MB Techs on the doors and dash. We've got navigation, a rear view backup camera. This one also does come along with the AMG exhaust, so I'll give you guys a little sound of what it sounds like. Sounds very nice. Hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls. This CLA 45 has 36,399 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 45 AMG, check out feldmannimports.com.